Hello, welcome to Ellie Mae Toys. Surprise! It's building time today. I know, that's so weird. We never do building here on this channel. Yeah, no, we totally always do building. Well, we do some other things, but mostly building. So this is the Lego Friends Ice Skating Snow Resort. I think that's the exact name. This is the one that was released with all the snow sets, and I haven't built it yet, so I thought I'd build it today. Let's see which mini dolls we've got in here. We've got some new boots. This is cute, a new little snow top. I don't think I have one of these yet. I think it only comes in this set. And it's Stephanie's old look. So we've got Stephanie hanging out here at the ice skating rink, and she has got some ice skates because it's an ice skating rink. Well, duh, of course. Of course she's gonna need some ice skates. Let's put them on, make sure that she's pretty good at this because, you know, Stephanie's sporty and she's good at all things sport. Because that's what happens if you're sporty. Is that right? I don't know that that's right. But that's what happens in Stephanie's world. She's joined by Nate. It's always nice to have another boy character in these sets. And she and Nate are hanging out here at the snow resort. And what will they be doing? Well, I don't know yet. And she is currently running rings around him, or skating rings around him anyway. Hopefully he gets, yes, his own pair of ice skates so that they can be evenly matched. They can have some races. Or they could just they could do some tandem skiing. No, skating. That's skating. That's not skiing at all. I'm not certain what they're doing, but they've got skates on. Or they've got some hockey sticks, so there's going to be some ice hockey going on. Wow, all right. Let's hope that they're both not as competitive as Stephanie is. Let's see if she can get this puck. Oh, hold on. He doesn't have a hockey stick yet, so that's kind of a bit unfair. So now they've both got hockey sticks, they can whack this puck around from side to side. Let me see whether they can, because it's actually, they're that little bit taller because they've got their ice skates on, so we have to bend them over a bit to make the ice hockey sticks work, but that's okay. All right, move that little black puck over, and now that they are all equipped, we might want to actually start building the snow resort, see what it contains. Looks like the first thing that it is going to be containing is a seat, because seats are very important because your feet get tired and your legs get so sore. Oh, and a map so they can find their way around all the other activities out here in the snow. All right, we don't want to lose that map because we don't want to get lost, but we do have a seat to sit on, and looks like we've got 5 cents, so we're going to be able to buy an awful lot with that. Hopefully, maybe some warm cups of tea and a croissant, maybe some hot chocolate could go in those pink mugs, and they have got some little seats to sit on as well. That's good news. So they've got a nice big seat for resting on when your skates, I keep trying to say skis, when your skates make your legs all tired, and then you can sit down and have something to eat. And what's this here? Let me see. We've got our first sticker, and this one has got the price range for the ice skates and the hockey gear. I don't imagine that that's actually the buying price, because $40 for each is quite expensive. You wouldn't want to hire them for that. And this here looks like we've got a goal. We've got a goal. Well, we haven't actually put anything in the goal, but we've got a goal to get a goal into. Let's see who's going to get the first goal. It's going to be Stephanie, because she's the first one with a hockey stick in her hand. I think kind of almost. She keeps dropping it. You're thwarting me at this. All right, go. Goal. She got a goal in the goal. Ah, that never gets old. It's going to get old really fast. We need more than one goal because otherwise it's a very one-sided game. So let's put another goal over here. Come on, Nate. Oh, he didn't even pick up his hockey stick. I think that was a little bit of foul play there. Now we have got these pieces are normally used for signs, but this, with the big smooth part in the middle, is going to become the ice skating rink. We've got 2 big smooth parts here, and it has made a reasonable sized ice skating rink. They're not going to be able to get too much speed up on this before they've run into the edge, but it'll do for a bit of a play. And we're going to build the sides up and see what else. I mean, what else does an ice skating rink need? We need walls to run into to stop, walls to break on, and we need the smooth part in the middle, and we just need a bit of space. So pretty much got everything. Oh, we're going to have a door by the looks of it, so you don't just fly out that opening at the front. Here are our little grill doors. It's so slippery in there. Stephanie's already falling over. So Nate and Stephanie are in here. They are trying to get their ice legs, which is like sea legs, but for the ice, and I made that up. So it could actually be a term, I don't know. but that was pretty funny. So they're staying upright at the moment because they're busy getting their ice legs already. We've got some really pretty foliage on the front, and they're joined by a baby bunny. Now, it's slippery in here for a baby bunny, so we might put the baby bunny over here. Just for your own information, this bunny's name is Moka, which is the same name as the bunny who comes in the heart box for Mia. So is Moka like just a bunny that hangs out in the forest? We're up to bag number 2. I don't know. Or does Moka belong to somebody? I'm curious about this. I have no idea. I don't know. But Moka is now in a set with Stephanie and in a signature set with Mia. So, And this little part here is a little retreat, a little bunny retreat. It's like a little tree hollow for Moka to live in. Isn't it cute? It's even got a little tippy top snow top on the top, and she's got some, oh here, I don't know, is Moka a boy or a girl? I just have no idea. She's got a he, she, it's got a carrot to nibble on. Doesn't matter whether it's a boy or a girl, it's got a carrot, so everything is good. And a little slidey thing, like a little toboggan, so Moka can come out here and slide down the slopes and spin around. Wow, Bunny's gonna get giddy. Spin around here in the ice skating rink. Okay, so the ice skating rink's done, the little habitat for Moka is done, and we've got some goals, we've got some seats. Now we need the snow resort. I am curious as to how resorty this snow resort is. I think the primary activity here is the ice skating rink because it is in the title of the build, but we'll see what else this little resorty area has. Well, this is cute. The colour scheme is going to work in perfectly with the chalet, with the snow chalet. And over here, we're going to be putting, I think that's a coffee machine. I'm going to assume that's a coffee machine, though I can't be sure. And is this going to be a fridge? We've got a couple of hooks on it. I just don't know. It hangs off the side here anyway. That's quite conspicuous hanging there off the side. We'll find out as we build some more. We'll see how it all works. And we've got some windows with some really cheerful little yellow frames in them. We can open them up and let the chilly winter wind blow through and freshen up the inside of the chalet, which I think is going to be very open. Anyway, the wind's going to blow through really well. We've got some snowdrifts on the front there with some little snow bits. And we have now got a spinning platform with lights on it. So this is where the evening show takes place maybe. You can get up and have a bit of a jam with the saxophone and the microphone, and there's a pretzel there to nibble on. And we're up to bag number 3. So this isn't going to be an overly built up looking snow resort. It's kind of just one of those facades. It's quite flat. And we've got a pretzel on one end, we've got a saxophone and microphone and a performance section on the inside, well, on the middle part, and I still don't know what that fridgy thing is for, but we will find out as we go along. Up here on the top, we're making some little roof shapes, and oh, now we got some stickers, so this might give us a bit of an idea. Pretzels, a sign for pretzels, and a sign for skates, and the skates go on this side and the pretzels go on this side. Okay. Alright, so we still need to build some more, find out what's going on. Some nice smooth pieces, angled up here on the top. Some big archways over the performance area with a little bit of snow topping over there. Looks so cozy, yet so cold. Actually, there's nowhere to go to get cozy here. There is no inside. They're going to have to stop off back at the chalet if they want to warm up, because there's nowhere to warm up here. There are going to be little rooftops on here because we're building up into the peaks, but yeah, there's no inside. And here is our sticker for the performance space. You can come here and sing some karaoke, and Nate will accompany you on the saxophone. It's gonna be super fun. Now let me see, these I think are going to be our, oh no, hold on, here's a bit of a lighted area. Oh no, yes, okay, so these are going to be, no, yes, no, yes, oh no, yes, yes, this is going to be the pointy peaks in the middle, where, like you've seen in all those elves builds, the roof goes up into the middle, and you need 2 mirror image builds to actually put on either side of the central peak. Does that make any sense? I think it makes sense. You can see what's happening there. Look, and that's over That's over the performance space. And of course, you need some really loud speakers because it's a Lego Friends set and we must have some loudspeakers. There, they look enormous and it's going to ruin all of the serenity out here on the mountainside. Oh, okay, so over here is where this is where you hire your skates and all of your hockey gear from. So it's not a fridge, it's our hiring spot. Oh, and the windows aren't windows, they're actually little spaces where you can put the vendor behind and they can serve you. So Nate could serve you when he's not playing the saxophone, he could serve you either a pretzel or he could serve you with some skates or hockey gear, and he's having a lot of trouble with that saxophone. But, you know, all they want to do is perform. Up here on the stage, I think, now that they've had a spin, I think we have finished with the build. So that's pretty cool. We have now got an ice skating rink and a cute little facade for the snow resort, which we can add in with the snow chalet and the other snow sets. So I'm gonna have to do that. I hope you enjoyed the build. There are always gonna be builds here on my channel. So make sure if you love Lego and you love looking at fun new toys, make sure you do subscribe. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. And I'm gonna see you with another one very soon. In the meantime, we're going ice skating. Stephanie's gonna win.